Hello and welcome back.
Hi, we're happy you're here.
Today we talk about weekend cleaning plans.
Yes, simple and real.
Do you feel tired before you start?
Or your mind feels empty, like, where do I begin?
No worries, step by step.
We will plan, start, and finish together.
You'll have a clear list for Saturday or Sunday.
And a small reward at the end.
Before we begin, how are you today?
I'm okay. A little tired. How about you?
I'm good. I have more energy today.
Nice. Did you sleep well?
Not great. I woke up early.
Oh no. Do you feel sleepy now?
A bit, yes, but I'm fine.
Right. How's the weather there?
It's cold today, and a little windy.
Got it. Is your week busy or calm?
Busy, but okay. What about your week?
Well, doing well. However, I have big plans for my weekend.
I know. Cleaning plans. All right. Now, let's talk about weekend cleaning.
Okay, I need this topic.
Same. And we will keep it simple.
Good, because I get stressed fast.
That's okay. Many people feel that.
Sometimes my mind feels empty. I don't know the first step.
I see. We will use a small plan and a short list.
Like 2 or 3 chores?
Exactly. And we can choose Saturday or Sunday.
Nice. Can we start with the plan first?
Yes, let's do it together. So, Mark, when do you clean? Saturday or Sunday?
Usually Saturday morning. Sunday feels too late for me.
Nice. Saturday morning. What time do you want to start?
Maybe 10 a.m., not too early.
Great. And what chores go on your list?
I choose 3. Kitchen, living room, and trash.
Oh, good. A short list.
Can I say I made a cleaning plan?
Yes, that works.
And can I say I have a list for the weekend?
Exactly. That's a good phrase.
Nice.
I heard a keyword there. Let's review it fast. Quick word check. Plan is a simple idea for the future. Example, I plan to clean on Saturday. Another one, I plan to start at 10. Okay, back to you.
Got it. I plan to start at 10 on Saturday.
Perfect. What do you write first on your list?
First, kitchen.
Right. Kitchen first. Why kitchen?
Because it gets messy fast.
True. Do you clean alone or with someone?
With my partner sometimes. It's faster.
Nice. And how long is your plan? 30 minutes or 1 hour?
1 hour. If I'm tired, I do 30 minutes.
That's okay. Small is still good.
Can I write, if I'm tired, I do less?
Yes, that sounds natural.
Good. Then my list feels easy.
Okay, next, you start cleaning. What do you do first in the kitchen?
I start with the counter, then I wash dishes.
Nice. You said start. What time do you start again?
At 10, I try not to wait.
Right. And do you play music or stay quiet?
I play music. It helps me start.
Good idea. Do you clean kitchen and living room together?
Yes, we do kitchen first, then living room.
Got it. What's on your living room list?
I pick up things. I wipe the table. I vacuum the floor.
Nice. A clear plan.
Can I say, let's start cleaning together?
Yes, that's friendly and simple.
Great. And what if I feel tired in the middle?
Then you can take a short break.
Like 5 minutes?
Nice. That word is very common. Let's look at it for 1 minute. Mini vocabulary review. Together means you do it with another person. Example, we clean together. Another example, we start together at 10. Now, tell me again.
We clean together. We start together at 10.
Perfect. Now, let's add a small real-life problem.
Oh, like what?
You are cleaning and your spray is empty.
Oh no, that happens to me.
So, what do you say in that moment?
Can I say the spray is empty?
Yes, exactly.
And can I say we ran out of spray?
Yes, that also works.
First, we spray the counter. Then, nothing comes out. We shake the bottle. It's still empty.
Oh no, that's so real.
What do we do next? Do we stop?
No worries, we can switch. We used a useful word. Let's review it fast. Quick word check. Empty means nothing is inside. Example, the bottle is empty. Another one, my tank is empty. I need gas. Okay, back to you.
Got it. The spray bottle is empty.
Nice. So, what's your next step?
We use soap and water. Or we use a wet cloth.
Great. And what do you say to your partner?
I say, no worries. We can still clean.
Perfect. That's calm language.
And after the kitchen, do we move to the living room?
Yes, step by step.
Okay, then we finish the living room too.
All right. Now, let's finish the cleaning plan.
Okay, I like the finish part.
Same. When you're almost done, what do you do?
I check my list again.
Nice. What's the last item on your list?
Trash. I take out the trash.
Right. And then you can relax.
Yes. Can I say I finished cleaning?
Yes, that's correct.
And can I say we are done?
Exactly. Very common. That's a good phrase. Let's review it fast. Mini vocabulary review. Finish means you complete something. Example, I finish my cleaning at 11. Another one, we finish the kitchen first. Now, tell me again.
I finish my cleaning at 11. We finish the kitchen first.
Great. Let's do a short role play.
Nice. Are we talking on Saturday?
Yes. Saturday morning. I'm Lucy, your cleaning partner.
Perfect. I'm Mark. I'm a little tired, but I will start.
Ready? What time do we start?
We start at 10. We have a short list.
Great. What's first?
First, the kitchen.
Okay, let's start.
We wipe the counter. We wash the dishes. Then we go to the living room. We pick up things. We vacuum.
Nice. Step by step.
Oh, the spray is empty.
Oh no, no worries. We can use soap and water.
Got it. Let's keep going.
Great. Are we done now?
Almost. I need to take out the trash.
Good catch. Can you do it now?
Yes. I take out the trash. Then I come back.
Perfect. Now how do you feel?
Calm. And a little proud.
Good job. What's your reward?
A movie and a snack.
Nice. What snack do you want?
Popcorn. Simple and good.
Love it. And what do you say at the end?
We finished. We can relax now.
Exactly.
Can I ask 2 quick questions?
Sure.
Is it okay to say, I'm done cleaning?
Yes, very natural.
And is it okay to say, let's relax with a reward?
Yes, that sounds great.
Nice. Then I'm ready for next weekend.
All right. Before we go, here's a viewer question.
Oh, what is it?
How can I keep my cleaning plans simple?
Good question. I need that too.
First, choose only 2 or 3 chores.
Right. Not 10 chores.
Second, pick one day, Saturday or Sunday.
Got it. One day only.
Third, set a simple time.
Like 10 a.m. easy.
We used many useful words today. Let's review 4 quickly. Plan. I plan to clean on Saturday. List. I have a list for the weekend. Empty. The spray is empty. Finish. I finished cleaning. I'm done.
Nice. Those are very useful.
Practice tip. Say your plan out loud for 1 minute a day.
Yeah, short practice is easier.
Now a quick prompt for you.
Ready.
Write. On Saturday, I plan to. My list is. At the end, I will.
Great. And you can keep it simple.
Perfect. Thank you for practicing with us today.
Yes, thank you. You did a great job.
No worries if you feel tired sometimes.
Step by step, small plans work.
If this helped you, please like and subscribe.
And come back next time to practice again.
All right, before you leave, write your sentence with the prompt.
We would love to read it.
Have a calm weekend.
And enjoy your reward. Bye.